How are you all? Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, we have seen about dispersal of seed. Right, children? Let us recall the topic again and let us continue the class. So, we have discussed about dispersal of seeds, right? Once a plant is planted, it remains stationary. Right, children? Everyone know about this. When a plant is planted, it remains stationary. Stationary means it will be in the same place. It can't move from one place to the another place. But its seeds reaches far off places. So all this we have studied, right, children? How the seeds will reach to far off places? How? Yes, with the help of different medium like water, air, animals. All this we have seen, right? Let us recall once again. Now see here, does any of the seeds collected by you fly in air? So all the seeds can fly in the air? No, only few. For example, if you see this picture here, yes, what is this? Calotropis, that is jilledu. In Telugu, we'll call it as jilled chettu, right? So in English, we'll call them as calotropis. Calotropis. So these are having hair-like structures on their seeds. That is why they can fly in the air. Right, children? Now see here, seeds are carried by wind to distant places and germinate there into a new plant. So example, Calotropis, that is Jilledu. Right, children? Now see here, have you ever seen the seeds and fruits stuck to your hair or hair of the animals? Have you ever seen that? Just observe that. When the cattle, goats and the sheep graze, the seeds get stuck to their hair, get carried and fall in the different places. Yes, children, when they are walking from one place to the another place, sometimes they will fall in the other places. This is how the seeds will carry from one place to the another place. And that is why different plants are growing in different places. Right, children? Now see here, for example, caltrops. So what is this caltrops? That is palleru and also tiger claw. We have seen in the slide, right, children? Once again, I will show you. That is Telikondikai. So for this, they will be having some rough edges so that it will stick to the fur of an animals. And see here, when we sit, okay, when we sit into new plants, when we sit into or see here, when we sit on the grass, seeds stuck to our clothes. So have you ever seen when we are going to the park or somewhere, when we sit there, what happens? Some seeds will stuck on our clothes, right, children? This is nothing but this whenever we will, yes, see here, whenever these seeds stuck to our clothes, they can carry from one place to the another place. Sometimes it will fall off, right, children, on the ground, and they get germinated. This is how the seeds will carry from one place to the another place, right, children? Now for example, one more thing, when the fruits of some plants get dried, they break open, right, children? We get the sound exploded, right? So these seeds get dispersed, and this is how the germination of seed takes place. And one more thing, that is the seeds can be carried by water, right, children? Here by the water and reach the shore. Now we have seen best example, coconut, right, and lotus seeds. So the seeds covered by soil germinate and grow as a plants. Now seeds get dispersed from one place to another place by air, water, animals and human beings. Hence we see a variety of plants in different regions. Right, children? And we have also seen one weed. See here, we have also seen once. Yes, now see here, we have also seen here that is Parthenium carpa, it's a weed. So which country's weed, children, this is? Yes, it is a weed of America. So it came with the wheat grains. So when we are imported this wheat grains, it came along with this wheat grain from America. So from America, the seeds are carried to India. That is how we are getting this Parthenium weed. So which grows and it is causing lung problems and also skin diseases. Right, children? This is how the seed will move from one place to the another place with the help of some mediums. Did you understand, children? What is the dispersal of the seed? Yes. So now here, let us see here, seed dispersal. So this is how the seed disperse from one place to the another place, like wind, like explosion, with the help of animals, with the help of water. Right, children? Now see here, once again let us see, this is a caltropis, that is Gillerchitu. Okay, this is how the seeds can move from one place to the another place. Have you ever seen, children? Yes, it is moving in the air. Have you ever seen such type of seeds? Yes, this is how the dispersal takes place through wind. And now this is the seed. Can you see this? Yes, I hope everyone have seen such type of seeds. Now we have seen no caltrops, palleru. See, this is how they stuck to the fur of the animals and also human clothes of human beings. Now tiger's claw, that is tail kondakai. See how sharp edges, and this will stuck into the on the uh, fur and also the human beings' clothes. This is how it can be transferred. And now see here, see this how it is stuck, these seeds. These are the seeds, right, children? See here, bird. It is stuck on the feathers of the birds. This is how the seeds will travel from one place to the another place. See here, animals are eating the fruits. So when they are eating, what happens? They will throw the seed somewhere. So this is how the seed moves from one place to the another place. Here, see the birds. When the birds carry these seeds or whenever they eat, they will throw the seeds in different places, or else it can be stuck into their beaks. By this also, when they are flying, it will fall on the different places. This is how the seed will travel from one place to the another place. Now see here, see the seeds how they are stuck to their clothes, human beings' clothes. Yes. So they'll fall off on the different places, and then what happens? They will grow and germinate into a new plant. Yes, see here, coconut. So when they are dried, they become lightweight and they'll float on the water and they'll reach us to different shores, and this is how the seed will germinate and it will grow. See this germination of this coconut. Yes, this is how it is carried. Now see this one. What is this? Lotus. See these lotus seeds. This is how they will float on the water and they will reach to the different places and different. This is how this lotus seed germinates. Yes, children, have you seen this one? Yes, these are the seeds dispersal by water. Now, next topic is about nurseries. Do you know anything about nurseries, children? If you want to grow plants in your home, right, or in your school, so what you will do, children? From where we will get all these plants? Yes, from nurseries. From nurseries, we will get different kinds of, either it is flowering plants or fruit bearing plants or any crotons we'll bring and we will plant in our home or else in your school, right, children? From where they are bringing? From nurseries. You should know, from nurseries. Try to visit a nearby nursery so that you will see a wide variety of the plants. Now see here, a nursery is a place where a wide variety of plants are grown. Have you ever visited nurseries? If you have not visited, try to visit. Okay. Now see here. So plants are grown in controlled climatic conditions. So in controlled climatic conditions, the plants will grow using shed nets. Okay, using some shed nets or poly houses Some green color nets they will they will tie it off they will be having some controlled climatic conditions, means the conditions will be maintained in that sheds and poly houses, and they will grow different diverse variety of plants found in deserts, polar regions, and also some moist regions, so together in one place itself. So this is how it proves that biodiversity is existing. See, biodiversity means different kind of varieties of plants will be grown under some controlled climatic conditions here in the nurseries. So different kinds like desert plants are grown, like polar region plants are grown, all different kinds of regions plants are grown here. You will see some different varieties, right children? This is how we can see biodiversity in the nurseries. Government is also taking lot of care and providing some different kinds of plants, preserving them, growing there, and also supplying to the people to maintain the social forest. Right, children? Now see here, nurseries are very important children where we get different kinds of plants, and we should plant the trees as pollution is increasing day by day. Yes children, it is necessary. You should not only everyone should plant the trees, such as this pollution is increasing day by day. To stop the pollution, it is very important to grow the plants, and we should take care of those plants. So nurseries are the good places where we can find diverse variety of the plants, right children? So see here, we have discussed about poly houses. Poly houses are nothing but, see here, shaded nets. Can you see the shaded nets? There are of different types. Shaded nets, they'll provide some climatic condition and they'll grow the plants. Now poly houses, see this is a poly house. We can find wide variety of plants here. Did you understand about this shade net and this poly house? Yes, we can also see some greenhouses. So where they will provide the grow the different kinds of plants with different techniques. They will use different techniques to grow. So only seeds are required for growing a new plant? Only seeds are required? No, we can also grow the plants with the help of the stems and also some tubers. All this you will study in your higher classes. Here are some techniques just to see. Afterwards, I'll show you. So now see here. The officials of the forest department also grows plants like neem, teak, daris. Daris is nothing but kanuga. So where it gives shade and air, which is good for us, okay, in the nurseries. And they supply these plants for the social welfare of animals and also for people, okay. So animals, birds, human beings, everyone need the plants, right children? Animals, birds, human beings, and different insects, different organisms needs a plant, right? So this is how plants are very important for every living being on the earth. So we should what grow all these kinds of plants, right? So our government is taking lot of care for growing different kinds of plants like neem, teak, kanuga, that is daris, in the nurseries, and they are supplying to the people, right? Now see here, cactus plants also they are growing in the nurseries. So cactus generally they'll grow in the deserts, but here due to some climatic condition they are growing here in our places also in the nurseries, and they are supplying to people, right children? And these are different kinds of cactus plants. So now let us see here one more important topic we have to discuss, that is plantation of saplings in the school, houses and surroundings. Yes children, this is very important. Sapling means it is a small plant, okay, new plant, tender plant, which is a what young plant. So that if you grow that small plant, it will grow into a big trees, right, which gives us shade, shelter, fruits, vegetables, everything they will give, right children? So we have to grow these saplings in the house and also school and also near around your surroundings, right children? We have to grow and we have to take care of the plants because there are a lot of advantages lot of uses of the plants, and it is very important to save our earth, right children? Now see here, children, in clean and green program, you have grown plants in your school. So in this context, discuss the following points in the groups. Yes, children, when you go to higher classes, so mainly all the children will be involved in doing this clean and green program, and our school also conducting, and NTPC also they are conducting different programs and clean and green Swachh Bharat, and also plantation programs. Last year also we had one plantation program in Telangana plant, right children? So there our school NCC leaders, everyone participated, and they have planted many plants. So why all these programs are holding here? Why? Because you should know that the importance of the plants. So in this whole chapter, what did you understood, children? What did you understood? Plants are very important for the living beings, right children? For everyone, the plants are very important. So we should not destroy the plants. So instead doing that, we should do plantation programs, right? Here is one slogan. పచ్చని చెట్లు ప్రగతికి మెట్లు. This is one of the slogan. Why they are giving this slogan, children? Because if there are plants, then only we can see some progress. Okay, some victory. Why? Because it gives us good health. We get different kinds of benefits from the plants. So we can save our earth from the pollution. Okay, so we can save our earth from floods. We can save our earth from different kinds of disasters happening now, right children? So that is why plants are very important. That is why the slogan is important. You should know what is that slogan. Pachani chetlu pragatiki metlu. So now children, are you having any plants near your premises of your house? In your premises, are you growing? So if you grow them properly, and just observe how the plants are depending on the how the birds are depending on the plants, and also how animals and how human beings are depending on all these plants. Right, children? Now see here, discussion box is given where how these plants are benefited to human beings. How, children? They gives us fruits, vegetables, and also shade, clean air, and also we get some what furniture from the plants, right? So there are many uses, and we are getting proper rain because of these trees, and whenever we are traveling we'll be having some tree shade, we can take rest in the near that shade, right? There are many uses to human beings. For animals, some animals are making holes on the in the trunks, and they are living in there, right? And also they are getting different kinds of food. They'll eat the leaves of the plants. It's like this, they are having many uses to the animals. Now if you see these birds, so birds also getting fruits to eat, and also they can build a nest on the trees. Right, children? This is how it is benefiting to everyone. So we should take care of the plants. Now I hope everyone understood the importance of plants. So please try to save plants and save earth. Okay, you can grow different kinds of plants in your premises, and also in your school premises, and also your surrounding areas. Try to care them, right children? And also try to visit the nearby nurseries, and just observe how they are bringing the saplings, and also how they are growing the plants, right children? Here is one small thing. When there are so many benefits from plants, why don't you visit a nursery in your area? Bring some saplings and plants and plant them in your school and in your house premises. Okay, children, will you do this? Yes. So whenever all this problem pandemic is finished, try to visit nearby nurseries, and next year at least, and please do plantation programs in your house premises and also in your school premises. Right, children? I hope everyone understood about the importance. I hope everyone understood about every topic. Is it clear, children? Everyone understood about each and every topic in this chapter? I hope everyone understood. Try to read the textbook, children. By this, we have completed our lesson number 5. Okay? Read the textbook, underline the hard words, and try to learn them. Okay? I hope everyone understood this lesson perfectly. Okay? If any problem you have, just read the textbook. You can easily understand. Okay, children? Till then, take care. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.